ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगांस्तविष्टान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान्स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। पेज नंबर 70 टीका। So we are seeing the Karikas on mantra number 8, 9, 10 and 11. द्वितीय पादस्य द्वितीय मात्रायाः च एकत्व आरोप प्रयोजक द्वयं श्रुत्युक्तं व्यनक्ति। द्वितीय पाद of what? And द्वितीय मात्रा of what? Correct. आत्मनः द्वितीय पादस्य ओंकारस्य द्वितीय मात्रायाः च एकत्व आरोप प्रयोजकद्वयं. Two prayojakas are there which are already given in Shruti. Shrutyuktam Vyanakti. They are explained, mentioned again here. Karika number 20. तैजसस्योत्व विज्ञान उत्कर्षो दृश्यते स्फुटम्। मात्रा संप्रतिपत्तौ स्यात् दुभयत्वं तथाविधम्। तैजसस्योत्व विज्ञान उत्कर्षो दृश्यते स्फुटम्। तैजसस्य उत्व विज्ञाने तैजसस्य उत्व विज्ञाने. Taijasa is उकार, in that utva vignane utkarshah sphutam drishyate. Utkarsha is there. Utkarsha means growth. From a you rise to u, and from sthula you rise to sukshma. Sthula prapancha upahita chaitanya to sukshma prapancha upahita chaitanya. This is one utkarsha. मात्रा संप्रतिपत्तौ स्यात् उभयत्वं तथाविधं स्फुटम. And also in matra sampratipatti. Sampratipatti, so how earlier it was explained, in equating the matra here with utva. So with respect to utva, this taijasa is also having ubhayatvam. So you have to read it this way. In taijasa, in having matra sampratipatti. Sampratipatti means jnanam. In taijasa, having equation or equality with utva matra, ubhayatvam tathavidam. Ubhayatvam is also there. Tathavidam means sphutam drishyate. What is ubhayatvam? U is connecting to a also and ma also. In the same way, taijasa is connecting to Vishwa as well as Prajna. Sukshma prapancha upahita chaitanya connects to Sthula as well as Karana. So it is there in the middle. That is why ubhayatvam. Ubhayatvam tathavidam. In टीका स्फुटम इति क्रिया विशेषणम. स्फुटम दृश्यते. क्रिया विशेषणम means when adverb in English they say, how the example would be like if you say ओदनम मृदु पचति. Mrudu means soft, very chewable rice. So yatha bhavati tatha, yada yatha mrudu bhavati tatha pachati. तथा विधम, see he has given, तथा विधम इति अस्य अर्थम स्फुटम इत्याह. So in the second line also that तथा विधम means स्फुटम. See भाष्य. तैजसस्य उत्व विज्ञाने उकारत्व विवक्षायाम उत्कर्षो दृश्यते स्फुटम स्पष्टम इत्यर्थः. तैजसस्य उत्व विज्ञाने, in taijasa having utva, ukaratva vivakshayam utkarsho sputam drishyate. Ukaratva, in taijasa ukaratva is there. In that vivaksha, utkarsha is very clear. And ubhayatvam cha sputam eva iti. Ubhayatvam is also there. There it is there in both previous matra and later matra. So ubhayatvam tadhavidam syat. Then टीका सी उत्व विज्ञाने इति अस्य व्याख्यानं मात्रा संप्रतिपत्तौ इति तैजसस्य उत्व विज्ञाने itself is given as मात्रा संप्रतिपत्तौ इति तस्य व्याख्यानं सर्वम इति उच्यते. What is the व्याख्यानं? सर्वम. टीकाकार says तद भाष्यकार said पूर्ववत सर्वम. He didn't write anything. टीकाकार says तद पूर्ववत द्रष्टव्यम इति उच्यते. It should be seen like earlier, means how it is explained in mantra. In that way you should understand in karika also. There is nothing much different, same, purvavat. So the phalam also you should understand that he will have jnana santati etc. What was the phalam given for the ukara? That same phalam is there, and he will be samanam. He will be between the mitra paksha and shatru paksha. He will remain samanam. And this is how it is given, in so many places in Bhagavad Gita. Samashatraucha mitrecha tatha manapamanayoho. That's samatvam. Or how it is given in 6th chapter. Sihran mitrar yudasina madhyastha dvesha bandhushu sadhushvapi cha papeshu samabuddhir vishishyate. So that samabuddhi doesn't come suddenly. For this samabuddhi, unless we have done lot of sadhana, that we do not get influenced by what is happening. You will remain neutral in all these things. So here upasana is of Om, Pranava upasana. Samadarshitvam, etc. टीका तृतीय पादस्य तृतीय मात्रायाश्च एकत्व अध्यासे सामान्य द्वयम श्रुत्या दर्शितम विशदयति. See, more or less the same sentence what was written for Dvitiya pada, he has written for Tritiya pada. But see, they will not just copy the same line and say, oh, okay, I am done. Instead, earlier he said ekatva aropa. Now he said ekatva adhyasa. Means aropa is adhyasa. And earlier he said aropa prayojaka dvayam. Now he says in this adhyase samanya dvayam. The two similarities. Shrutyuktam Shrutyadarshitam Vyanakti Vishadayati. See how, means they have variety in their words, so that the reader should not think that, oh, what is the same line he is writing again and again. Different things. Means the same. मकार भावे प्राज्ञस्य मान सामान्यमुत्कटम मात्रा संप्रतिपत्तौ तु लय सामान्यमेव च मकार भावे मकार भावे प्राज्ञस्य मकारत्वे मकार भावे मान सामान्यम उत्कटम स्पष्टम स्फुटम मान सामान्यम सो मीयते मिनोति हवा that was given in mantra and matra sampratipattau again matra sampratipatti means प्राज्ञस्य म matra sampratipattau means prajna is ma equated to ma in that laya samanyam evacha sputam utkatam laya samanyam is also there man samanyam laya samanyam टीका अक्षरार्थस्य पूर्ववदेव सुज्ञानत्वात् तात्पर्यार्थम आह अक्षरार्थ इज वेरी क्लियर पूर्ववदेव सुज्ञानत्वात् तात्पर्यार्थम इज गिवन भाष्य मकारत्वे प्राज्ञस्य मिति लयौ उत्कृष्टे सामान्य इत्यर्थः इन मकार बीइंग प्राज्ञ equated to makara prajnasya makaratve miti and laya miti means measuring and laya means dissolution utkrishte miti layau utkrishte samanye both of them utkrishte samanye they are samanam ityarthah First number tippani we have already seen that matra sampratipatti. Just second number tippani you see tasya vyakyanam iti. Where is second number tippani? In 20th it comes. Tasya vyakyanam iti. Bhashyakrit kartrikam apekshitam tad vyakyanam ityarthah. Bhashyakrit kartrikam. What does that mean? Bhashyakrit means Bhashyakara himself. Kartrikam means created by Bhashyakara. Whatever Vyakhyanam in mantra, that same you have to understand in Karika also. Further, Tika in on 22nd Tika. Vishwadinam akaradinam cha yat tulyam samanyam uktam tad vijnanam stauti. Vishwadinam and akaradina. Vishwa Tejas Prajna and akara ukara makara. That tulyam samanyam, their similarity, what is given, tad vijnanam stauti, that vijnanam is being praised now. Trishu dhamasu yattulyam samanyam veti nischitah sapujya sarvabhabutanam Vandyaschaiva Mahamunihi Trishu Dhamasu Yattulyam Samanyam Veti Nishchitah. Trishu Dhamasu in all the three states. Yat Tulyam सामान्यम वेत्ति जानाति. The one who knows the samanatva in these three. So, what is that he knows? In waking, dream, deep sleep state, all three. What is samanam? Vetti. Saha nishchitaha. Nishchitaha san. The one who is nishchita in this way. Saha pujyaha. Mahamunihi. Sarvabhutanam vandyashchaiva. The one who has this nishchaya about Trishu Dhamasu Yat Tulyam. What is Tulya? Samanam in all three. Samanam in all three means you can also say this way, that in Akara and Vishwa, what is Samanam? Ukara, what is Samanam with Taijasa? Makara, Pragya, what is Samanam? That also. Or the one who knows that Brahma, which is Samanam in all, whose Anvaya is there. This Anvaya Vyatireka, anyway, I will explain that later. Saha Pujyaha Sarva Bhutanam. He is the one who has such Nishchaya. He is worshipped among all, worshipped by all beings. Sarva Bhutanam Pujyaha. He is a Mahamuni. He is a great sage. And he is Vandyashchaiva. Sarva Bhutanam Vandyaha. All beings do his Vandana. So all beings do his Vandana and prayer and all. So it doesn't mean actually he has to be known to lot of people, etc. It could be very small. Like if you take example of Gaud Padacharya ji himself. Not many people know about Gaud Padacharya ji. Because only those people who come all the way up to Mandukya, when they study Upanishad, how many such people will be there? At least lot of people know about Bhagavad Gita, relatively. A lot of people don't know anything. But they may worship some music star or some sports star, rock star, etc. But this is different. So Sarva Bhutana means, really speaking, he is the only one who is Pujya. He is the only one who is Vandya. If people are doing puja and vandana of somebody else, it is wrong. It is erroneous. The knower of this is a real worthy of worship. Bhashyakar says he is Brahmavit. He is the knower of Brahman. Brahmavit can mean Brahma Upasaka here. Can be Brahma Upasaka. Of course, Brahmavit, no doubt about it. Tika. No, Bhashya, let us see first. Yathokta sthana traye tulyam uktam samanyam va. So what is samanyam in the three? Akara, Ukara, Makara with Vishwa Taijasa Prajna. What is samanam? Samanyam va. Samanyam vetti. Evam eva etaditi nishchito. Evam eva. It is this way only. The one who has such nishchaya, yaha saha pujyo vandyascha brahmavit loke bhavati. He is considered as knower of Brahman. He is Saguna Brahma, Jnani, Upasaka, in that way. Tika, yathokta sthanatrayam jagaritam swapnam cha iti. In the three sthanam, जागृत, स्वप्न एक्सेट्रा, त्रितयम तुल्यम पादानां मात्राणां च इति शेषः. The one who knows the similarity between pada and matra, पादानां मात्राणां तुल्यम इति शेषः. उक्तम सामान्यम आप्तिः उत्कर्षः मितिः इत्यादि. What was said earlier as aptihi, mitihi, then utkarsha and laya, all those things, ityadi. Mahamunihi eti asya arthamaha brahmavid. Mahamuni, Bhashyakar says, means he is knower of Brahman. टीका. पूर्वोक्त सामान्य ज्ञानवतो ध्यान निष्ठस्य फल विभागं दर्शयति. पूर्वोक्त सामान्य ज्ञानवतः, the one who has this सामान्य ज्ञान means not सामान्य and विशेष. सामान्य means the knowledge of समानता, similarity, सादृश्यम. ज्ञानवतः उस ज्ञान वाले में, और ज्ञान वाले को, ज्ञान वाले को, the one who has that knowledge, ध्यान निष्ठस्य, and the one who has ध्यान निष्ठा, फल विभागम दर्शयति. So now difference between the results is given. अकारो नयते विश्व, मुकारश्चापि तैजसं, मकारश्च पुनः प्राज्ञं, नामात्रे विद्यते गतिः. अकारो नयते विश्व, अकारो विश्वम नयते, उकारः चापि तैजसं नयते, मकारश्च पुनः प्राज्ञं नयते. अकार लीड्स, नयते means takes you, leads one to Vishwam. So akara means akara pradhana onkara upasana will take one to Vishwam, means he will become Virat. Ukara pradhana onkara upasana will lead him to Hiranyagarbha. Similarly, makara pradhana, he will get Saguna Brahma Prapti, Ishvara Prapti. But amatre na vidyate gatihi. So this is the difference. When somebody is abiding in amatra, chaturtha pada, turiya, brahma, I am turiya, I am nantah prajñam na bahish prajñam ityadi, then gatihi na vidyate. टीका. यत्र तु पादानां मात्राणां च विभागो नास्ति तस्मिन् ओंकारे तुरीयात्मनि व्यवस्थितस्य प्राप्तृ प्राप्तव्य प्राप्ति विभागो नास्ति इत्याह. There where pada and matra vibhaga is not there, tasmin, in that onkare turiyatmani, in such amatra onkara turiya atma vyavasthitasya, the one who, vyavasthita means nishthasya, abides there, then prapta, praptavya, prapti vibhaga is not there. Prapta is sadhaka, upasaka. Praptavya is what is to be attained. Prapti is what is the attaining, the act of attaining. This vibhaga is not there. Vibhago nasti ityaha. Namatre vidyate gatihi. This was on the Karika itself. This much tika is given. Now, Bhashya. यथोक्तैः सामान्यैः आत्मपादानां मात्राभिः सह एकत्वं कृत्वा यथोक्त ओंकारं प्रतिपद्य यो ध्यायति तम अकारो नयते विश्वं प्रापयति. यथोक्तैः सामान्यैः, by this similarity which is already spoken earlier, आत्मपादानां मात्राभिः सह एकत्वं. आत्मपाद and ओंकार मात्रा, their oneness, एकत्वं कृत्वा यथोक्तम ओंकारम प्रतिपद्य, having known ओंकार in this way, यो ध्यायति, the one who meditates in this way, that akara means sthula prapancha upahita chaitanya, u means sukshma prapancha, etc. tam akaro vishwam nayate prapayati. To that sadhaka, akara takes him to Vishwa. What is this akara? So, actually it means akara alambanam onkaram. Vidwan Vaishwanaro bhavati ityartha. He will become Vaishwanara, Virat. Akara alambana wala onkara means akara is pradhana in his thinking. Tika. Onkara dhyayinam akaro vishwam prapayati iti uktam ayuktam. Purva Paksha. He says, no, what is this? You are saying the one who meditates on akara. Akara pradhana onkara upasaka, he will attain Vishwa. What are you saying? Why? Vishwa prapte he dhyanam antarena siddhatvad. Vishwa I am already. Why should I do dhyanam? Purva Pakshi forgot Vishwa means Virat, we have to remember. Taijasa means Hiranyagarbha. Pragnya means Ishvara. So for attaining Vishwa Taijasa Pragnya, we don't have to do dhyanam. When they are equated, then Vishwa is none other than Vaishwanara. So that is given here. Akarasya cha adhyeyasya ukta phala prapakatva ayogat iti ashankya. Akara is not dhyeya. Akarasya cha adhyeyasya ukta phala prapakatva ayogat. Akara is not dhyeya and it will not result in Vishwa. Without that also I am Vishwa. So it is said, no, akara alambanam omkaram vidwan vaishwanaro bhavati. He will become Vaishwanara. Tad alambanam means tad pradhanam. Bhashya Tikakar makes it very clear. Alambanam means pradhanam. So akara alambanam means akara pradhana omkara upasana. Akara pradhanam omkaram dhyayato yatha Vaishwanar praptihi tatha उकार प्रधानम तमेव ध्यायतस् तैजसस्य हिरण्यगर्भस्य प्राप्तिर्भवति इत्याह. And ukar pradhana onkara he will become Hiranyagarbha. तथा भाष्य तथा उकारस तैजसम. टीका. यश्च मकार प्रधानम ओंकारम ध्यायति तस्य प्राज्ञस्य अव्याकृतस्य प्राप्तिः युक्ता इत्याह. And makar pradhana onkara, if he meditates, then he will attain prajna. Prajna means avyakrita. Prajnasya avyakritasya praptihi. Bhashya. मकारस्यापि पुनः प्राज्ञं च शब्दात् नयते इति अनुवर्तते. Makara, the one who meditates on Makara Pradhana Omkara, then he will attain Prajnam, means Avyakrita. Iti anuvartate, Nayate, you have to carry forward. Tika. Kriyapada Anuvritti Ubhayatra Vivakshita. Nayate, you have to take in both cases. Chaturtha Padam Vyachaste. Chaturtha Pada. क्षीणे तु मकारे बीज भाव क्षयात् अमात्र ओंकारे गतिर्न विद्यते क्वचिदित्यर्थः. क्षीणे तु मकारे, when the makara kshaya takes place, then बीज भाव क्षयात्. बीज भाव means avidya. बीज भाव, as long as it is there, then again we will come back, or some gati will be there. But when its kshaya takes place, so when I go in amatra, then amatre onkare gatir na vidyate kvachid ityartha. In the amatra onkara, there is no gati, there is no going, coming, there is no attaining, because I already am that. Tika. So Vyakhyanam is over. Now you see Tikakar has written, there is no pratika, so he general he has given. Sthula prapancho jagaritam vishwascha iti etat tritayam akara matram. Sthula prapancha jagaritam vishwa, all this is akara matram. Sukshma prapancha swapna taijasas cha iti tritayam ukar, all this is u only. प्रपंच द्वय कारणम सुषुप्तम प्राज्ञश्च इति एतत् त्रितयम मकार मात्रम. तत्रापि पूर्वम पूर्वम उत्तरोत्तर भावम आपद्यते. स्थूल will attain सूक्ष्म, सूक्ष्म will attain कारण, पूर्व पूर्व will attain उत्तरोत्तर भावम. Tadevam, this is Spashtam. I am not doing any Vyakhyanam. We just have to, if we want, we have to do this. Then result will be there. Whichever guna we want, you have to meditate with that guna in mind. And we all are very advanced students, so we will say, no, I don't want any Omkar Upasana, etc. I am directly interested in Jnanam, 7th mantra, Sadhyo Mukti only. But this will help in removing lot of clutter from mind. Tadevam sarvam Omkar matram iti dhyatva, everything is Omkar alone iti dhyatva. स्थितस्य यदेव यद एतावन्तं कालम ओम इति रूपेण प्रतिपन्नम तत्परिशुद्धम ब्रह्म एव इति आचार्य उपदेश समुत्थ सम्यक ज्ञानेन. So now somebody, let us say, has done this dhyanam. For some time, and slowly he will understand sarvam Onkar matram, everything is Om. Iti dhyatva, sarvam means sarvam, sthulam, sukshmam, karanam prapancha. Sthula, sukshma, karanam prapancha, everything. Dhyatva sthitasya yad etavantam kalam Om iti rupena pratipannam. For such a long time, whatever I thought is Om, 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 I have understood all of that is Parishuddham Brahma eva. All this is nothing but the pure, immaculate Brahma. Iti. How does he know? आचार्य उपदेश समुत्थ सम्यक ज्ञानेन. When the acharya has either already given jnanam first and then he does upasana because he didn't get it, or after upasana whatever jnanam acharya gives, there he understands. पूर्वोक्त सर्व विभाग निमित्त अज्ञानस्य, whatever vibhaga that is given earlier, purvokta sarva vibhaga nimitta, that vibhaga nimitta is what? Ajnanam. That ajnanasya makaratvena grahitasya. The karana avastha is makara, is ajnanam. Makaratvena grahitasya kshaye. When its kshaya takes place, brahmani eva shuddhe paryavasitasya na kvachit gatihi upapadyate. So brahmani eva shuddhe brahmani, when the paryavasanam takes place, paryavasitasya ekibhutasya, 1 number tippani, na kvachit gatihi upapadyate, then he has no going anywhere. So this upasana one should do for quite some time also. Main thing what should happen is, my mind should become so calm and subtle that it can immediately remember aham pada lakshyartha. And that aham pada lakshyartha is none other than Shuddha Brahma. This jnanam, if I have done enough shravanam, it should come to me spontaneously. If I have done shravanam, but if I am so preoccupied by so many daily activities and other hassles of life, then even if I know this, I will not remember. Because mind is not available for this jnanam. On that jnanam, so many other layers have come. And therefore, the uparati is also required. Shamadama, and that quietness of mind is also needed. Further in Tika, Pratyak Chaitanyam Onkara Samvedanam Trimatrena Onkarena Adhyastena Tadatmyat Onkaro Niruchyate. Pratyak Chaitanyam is Onkara Samvedanam. Onkara Samvedanam means Onkare Samvedanam Upasanam Yasya is Onkara Samvedanam. Yadva Onkarah Samvitti Karanam Yasya iti Vigraha. Or Onkarah Samvitti Karanam Yasya. Onkare Samvedanam Upasanam Yasya is Onkara Samvedanam. Samvedanam means Upasanam, the one who does Onkara Upasana, or Jnanam. Samvitti means Jnanam. Onkarah Samvitti Karanam Yasya iti Vigraha. For this, Pratyak Chaitanyam Onkara Samvedanam Trimatrena Onkarena Adhyastena Tadatmyat Onkaro Niruchyate. So now, because of this Tadatmya, Onkara Niruchyate means its Nirukti is done. Tasya Parena Brahmana Aikyam अमात्रादि श्रुत्या विवक्ष्यते ताम अवतार्य व्याकरोति. So really speaking, that Omkara is one with Omkara's amatratva is one with Brahma. Tasya parena brahmana aikyam amatradi shrutya vivakshate. By the amatra shruti, it is explained. In Tippani, it is given 3 number Tippani. ओंकार अभिधेयस्य प्रतीचः. ओंकार अभिधेय is Pratyagatma. That Pratyagatma is none other than Brahma, is mentioned by Amatra. So first line said, Pratyak Chaitanyam Onkara Samvedanam Trimatrena Onkarena Adhyastena. So in that Pratyagatma, when Onkara Adhyasa is there, then 3 matras are there. Akar, Ukar, Makar. Means Vishwa Taijasa Prajna is the Adhyastha aspect of Pratyagatma. And Anadhyastha Pratyagatma is Brahma, which is Amatra. Tam Avatarya Vyakaroti. So, bringing it, now he does Vyakhyanam. We are in 12th mantra now. Amatraschaturdho vyavaharyah prapanchopashamah shivodvaita evam onkara आत्मैव संविशत्यात्मना आत्मानम् य एवं वेद. Repeat one more time. अमात्रश्चतुर्थो व्यवहार्यः प्रपंचोपशमः शिवोद्वैत एवमोंकार आत्मैव संविशत्यात्मना आत्मानं य एवं वेद. So here Veda means Jnanam. Earlier three mantras, Veda was Upasana. Here Veda means Jnanam. Because this is about Amatra, Chaturtha Pada and Amatra, Avyavaharya. So this, you remember in 7th mantra, Chaturtham Avyavaharyam Prapanchopashamam, it was given. Shivaha, so there it was given Shivam, Shantam, Advaitam. Here it goes Shivaha. What is not given, you understand. Shantaha, Advaitaha. Then he equates with Onkaraha, Atma eva. This is Atma. So this is the description of Atma. There it was given as Shantam, Shivam, Advaitam. Chaturtham manyante sa Atma sa Vigneyaha. This Atma should be known. So because that Atma was Vigneya, it was in Dvitiya. Here everything is in Prathama. Eva Onkaraha Atma eva. Samvishati up to that. Then Samvishati Atmana Atmanam ya evam Veda. This is second line. Means it's different sentence. He enters in his self by his self. Atmana by his self. He enters the self. Ya evam Veda, the one who knows this in this way. So phala shruti is also given. Tika. Kevalatvam means advitiyatvam. भाष्य फर्स्ट यू से अमात्रो मात्रा यस्य नास्ति सो अमात्रः ओंकारः चतुर्थः तुरीयः आत्मा एव केवलः अमात्रः मात्रा यस्य नास्ति सः अमात्रः द वन हु डजंट हैव मात्रा इज कॉल्ड अमात्र ओंकारः चतुर्थः तुरीयः that is onkara, that is chaturtha, that is turiya, that is atma. Atma eva kevalah. Abhidhana abhidheya rupayoho. That is what? Let us see. Abhidhana abhidheya rupayoho vang manasayoho kshinatvat avyavaharyah. There where there is no abhidhanam and abhidheyam, अभिधान अभिधेय रूपयोः. So the nama nami they are not there. Vang manasayoho kshinatvat. There is no vag vyapara mano vyapara. Therefore it is avyavaharyah. Tika. Kevalatvam advitiyatvam. Visheshanantaram upapadayati abhidhana. So other visheshanas he gives. Abhidhanam vag abhidheyam manaha चित्त अतिरिक्त अर्थ अवभाष्य अभिधास्यमानत्वात् तयोः मूलाज्ञान क्षयेण क्षीणत्वात् इति हेत्वर्थः. अभिधानम मीन्स वाक्, अभिधेयम मीन्स मनः चित्त. अभिधानम is not possible without speech. Abhidheyam is not possible without mind. So abhidhanam vak, abhidheyam manah, chitta, atirikta artha abhavasya abhidhasyamanatvat. Let me just make sure it is correct there. Abhidhasyamana. Abhidhasyamana means the one who has abhidhana abhidheya sambandha is called abhidhasyamana. So abhidha literally means you can say Vachyartha. The one who has this Vachyartha is Abhidhasyamana. Where there is no speech, where there is no mind, Vyavahara, then it is not Abhidhasyamana. Where mind and speech are there is Abhidhasyamana. तयोः मूलाज्ञान क्षयेण क्षीणत्वात्. When Vang Mana Kshaya takes place, then Abhidhasyamanatva also is not there. Therefore, Abhidhana Abhideya is not there. That is the Hetu. So, Abhidhana, in Bhashya, how it is given? Abhidhana Abhideya Rupayoho Vang Manasayoho Kshinatvat. This is the Hetu. Because of this, it is avyavaharya in this way. So, abhidhana abhideya means vang manaha in this way. Further in Tika, avyavaharyas chet atma nasti eva. If it is avyavaharya, then it is not there. This was already discussed earlier. You were sleeping at that time. Nasti eva iti ashankya. Vikara, there if you see there are two lines, that second line is not there. Ashankya, only one here, not A. Ashankya. विकारजात विनाशौ अवधित्वेन विकारजात ऑल कार्य प्रपंच विनाश अवधित्वेन आत्मनो अवशेषात एंटायर कार्य प्रपंच विकार and karana also, when all of that gets dissolved, or you say when entire karya prapancha goes in karana and karana remains avyakta, then what remains is only atma. Atmanah avasheshat naivam ityaha. Naivam means what? What is naivam? Means Atma is not there is not true. Atma is there. How is it? Prapanchopashamaha. It is prapanchopashamaha. Then further in Tika. Bhashyakar doesn't explain because he said, I have already said whatever I had to say. Tikakar, out of compassion, tasya cha सर्वानर्थाभावोपलक्षितस्य सर्व अनर्थ अभाव उपलक्षितस्य परमानंदत्वेन पर्यवसानं सूचयति. सर्व अनर्थ अभाव उपलक्षित, where there is absence of all anartha, that is Shiva. सर्व अनर्थ अभाव उपलक्षितस्य परमानंदत्वेन पर्यवसानं सूचयति शिवः. He is Shiva. In Dvitiya Adhyaya it will be said, Tasmad Advayata Shiva. Advaita is Shiva. Tasyaiva Sarva Dvaita Kalpana Adhishthanatvena Avasthanam Abhipretya Aha. Tasyaiva Sarva Dvaita Kalpana Adhishthanatvena. Tasya Brahmanaha. That alone is the adhishthanam of all dvaita kalpana. Sarva dvaita kalpana adhisthanatvena avasthanam abhipretyaha advaitaha. It is advaita. Onkaraha turiyaha san atma eva iti yaduktam tadupasamharati. Onkara is turiya, is atma, means that I am. This is who I am. Yaduktam, what was said, he does upasamhara. Evam iti. Evam. Samvritta evam. Samvritta means what is already said. Evam yathokta vijnanavata prayuktaha onkaraha trimatraha tripadaha atma eva. In this way, the trimatra onkara is tripada atma alone. Tika yathoktam vijnanam padanam matranam cha ekatvam. In this way, pada matra ekatva is given. Nacha pada matrascha turiya atmani onkare santi. In turiya atma, there is no pada. In onkara, there are no matra. Turiya onkara. Purva vibhagascha uttarottara antarbhavena kramad atmani paryavasyati iti evam lakshanam tadvata prayuktaha सन ओंकारो मात्राः पादांश्च स्वस्मिन् अंतर्भाव्य अवस्थितस्य आत्मनो भेदम असहमानः तद्रूपो भवति इत्यर्थः. पूर्व विभाग, whatever the division is done, earlier ones is Vishwa etc. It all merges in uttara antarbhavena kramat, in sequence. Atmani paryavasyati, its paryavasanam takes place in atma. Iti evam lakshanam, this lakshana तद्वता प्रयुक्तः सन ओं तद्वता means the one who knows this. Tadvan actually the one who has this, one who owns up this in this way. Tadvata prayuktaha san. So one who does this chanting in this way with understanding, prayuktaha san onkaro matraha padasya swasmin antarbhavya. In one's own self he sees all the padas, all the matras. Antarbhavya. Avasthitasya means nishthasya, the one who is nishtha in this way. Atmanah bhedam asahmanaha. Then he does not see manyness in Atma. Neha nanasti kinchana is true for him. Atmano bhedam asahmanaha tadrupo bhavati ityarthaha. He becomes of that nature. Means he becomes chaturthaha, avyavaharyaha, shantaha, shivaha, advaitaha, etc. Then ukta ikyasya jnanasya phalam we will have to see tomorrow. So little bit more is there. We will complete and rest of the karikas we will see. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.